Greetings, guys. Big up on yourselves once more. Today, another episode of Barz Beatz. Oh, do some of the maddest reviews them round here. Yes, I am. Alright, here what now? Today in the program, Decode a brand new song by Shensia. And you don't know already. Me consider Shensia the princess of dancehall. Zime, female, the princess of dancehall. Just behind Spice. So Shensia just hold your turn. Alright? Our song is called Punny Police. Me know you guys want to know what Punny Police is, you know. So, you know me have to go tell you what go on with it now. Get a little history behind Shensia. But before me go into the runnings, you know me I got to tell you so what. Subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it. Yeah, man. Straight. Shensia, dancehall artist. She has done many other genres already. She has done, let me see, Afrobeat, pop, reggae, reggaeton. Man, everything she do. Very, very talented artist. And not mention beauty. Very beautiful. Alright, so we're going to jump into this song now. And people might want to know what a punny police is. Or what the word punny is. So, you know me, I forgive you. A punny is basically the vagina. So, Jamaican have many names for it. Then, well, you know pussy already. Vagina, real name. Then we call it pum pum. Some call it tun tun. Some call it the cat. So many names that Jamaican give. But for this context, you know, punny is punani. Or pum pum or vagina. That's what I say. Now, a punny police now, so kind in the words, a punny police is basically a man who watch woman. And we have names to that as well. Watchy pum. Poopsie satellite. There are so many names. You know, when it comes to Jamaica, we make names for everything. Except the real name. Yes. We make names for things. We just make up names. If you're a Jamaican and you come around a man, or if you come to Jamaica, people don't know your name and you come around somebody, them 5 names give you. I just saw it go. Yeah, man. So, in this case, it's called a punny police. This is actually the first time I'm hearing this song in its entirety. And Shensia, we have to go in it. So my decoding is just about the first time I see it, just like how the first time you're seeing it. So let us go in the song. Alright? Go!
Give me some room to breathe. I just need some space from you. It's not supposed to feel.
Alright, so see man I watch either, but me put her on the me have it in a 4K and maybe it'll give me a little history there. So right that's so. Alright, so you see Shensia voice as me say. Any genre Shensia sing, good. She has a natural, pretty melodical voice. Alright? So see Punny Police there watch a thing now. I chest him a play now. Alright, go on.
Like this with someone new. Yeah, the boy.
Hold on little bit. Hold on little bit. You know if I have to talk the thing. You hear something a while ago past your ears. I bet you guys not hear it properly. It says the genius in the background. Now the genius is the producer of this song. I mean, I'm almost 100% sure that he made the beat. The genius is the son. His name is Stephen McGregor. Stephen the Genius McGregor. He's the son of the great Freddie McGregor. And Freddie McGregor is a reggae artist. Very, very prolific and very, very good, great reggae artist. Okay, so Stephen McGregor and her teamed up before and they did a song called Hit and Run, which is a banger that she did with in combination with Massacre. And you know Massacre already. Banger too. So it look like one not good enough, so she going another time. And here we are going now. Follow her.
No give your space.
Hold on, yeah, money, man.
Yeah, the boy, no give your space on him. No set you free, then you better believe him. Punny police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him. Punny police. Run when you see punny police. Hide when you see punny police. Me say, he make me feel like say me is a thief, coming.
So, as I see what I tell you, a punny police is a person who watch woman or watch the vagina. You see me? So that's what she has to ask from early. If him put a truck up on the car, if him watch everything, him is a punny police. So she's giving you the definition of what a punny police is in the first verse. No, me no wrong the man for be a punny police. Look how she pretty. No, tell me now. It's true. You don't watch her, sir? Me, I tell you. I would be a punny FBI. Jaja. All right, go back here now, yeah, sir. Hold on there. She pretty. Trust me. Go on.
Punny police. Run when you space on him. Now set you free, then you better believe him. Punny police. If him go cut a key, put a track up on your VIX, then you better believe him. Punny police. Run when you see punny police. Hide when you see punny police. Me say he make me feel like say me is a thief. Cause me they a run from a punny police. First things first, me buy me phone and I it you want search. When you want sir, you gotta get your heart hurt. Location, ear tagging on my purse.
Hey, if she say if him check the phone, the one where she buy the phone and him a check it. If him check it, him will get hurt. No, what she's saying, you know, she has say she have some things in that phone. If the man see it, him out go mash up. Hey, listen, let me tell you something, you know. And a good thing though, enough for search woman phone, you know. Well, woman, I still no good thing for search man phone either, because may I tell you, sometimes you see things in there will make your heart mash up. And sometimes you see things in there that really and truly take out of context. And then you run your heart rate up and you realize not no go so. But the best you leave privacy to people and respect people. Privacy. So, you know, that's what I say, you know. So go on again like a Shensia. You still not look like you're going good now. Go on.
Sir, you gotta get your heart hurt. Look it, run from a punny police. First things first, me buy me phone and I it you want search. When you want sir, you gotta get your heart hurt. Location, ear tagging on my purse. Blouse and skirt, how you reach on me work. Hot gal enough for everybody, my youth. Comment on my picture, them that's I'm at you.
Hey, no, may I tell you, that song I say some things. It's one of the first times Mrs. Shensia do a song like this here where she basically, what do I call it now? I give a little story in the thing with a little humor in it. Yeah, man, and normally Shensia not do humorous songs. She do really just like reality, some provocative, some suggestive type of song. But this one, I have a little bit of humor in it. May I tell you? Because I go back some more and make you hear some things where in the Jamaican vernacular where she talk about something. Watch it running now.
Me buy me phone and I it you want search. When you want sir, you gotta get your heart hurt.
Okay, so you hear she said this, so when you want sir, you gotta get your heart hurt. Now you see when a lady say, when you want sir, it's basically like the sir. Well, you know when a person call a person sir, it's a respect thing. But in a like a Jamaica thing, when a woman, because normally a woman I call a man sir in a that way. The way you want sir, it's like a, what you call that word again? Sarcastic type of sir thing. Where you want sir? You know, so she say, you get your heart hurt, so where you want? Where you going on my phone? But she put a sir on it, but it's a sarcastic type of sir. And that's all she said. So go on now.
Me buy me phone and I it you want search. When you want sir, you gotta get your heart hurt. Yeah. Location, ear tagging on my purse. Hey. Blouse and skirt, how you read?
Blouse and skirt again. So I have to find them, you know. I have to decode my job. Yes. Blouse and skirt. It's another expression. Just like how you hear somebody that say blood clot or bumbo clot or rotted. That is one of the next expression there. Blouse and skirt. But it is a more toned down expression as opposed to the clot. When you say blouse and skirt, you can say it anywhere, but it's the same expression you're portraying. But it is less explicit. Okay? So here she already blouse and skirt now. Go on.
Location, ear tagging on my purse. Blouse and skirt, how you reach on me work.
Hey.
Hot gal enough for everybody, my youth. Comment on my picture, them that's I'm at you. You're too insecure, so you lose. That's why I'ma need you to give me some room to breathe. Hey. I just need
the man are working up with that. Let me tell you something, you know. I know good thing. Hey, you see when you have somebody like Shensia, you got to on real punny police. No, me I tell you. Me don't know about the heart because me can't see inside her. But careful. No, tell me something now. Look on the physique and look on the looks. Pretty. So why sometimes beauty come like a little curse in a sense, you know. Beauty and the best look outside. It come like because you're going to get some people who are possessive and obsessive. So, and that Shensia face right now, Shensia. It come with the beauty. It come with the territory. See? All right. Take away, Manado.
Some room to breathe. I just need some space from you. It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new.
Voila, you know, say, me never see say one little deal there, man, and sniff up there. But the no, go back. Oh, the blood clean. Shen say you're wicked, you know. Hold on, man. Where you going to deal that you have, man? You're mad, the poor man, you know. Go on.
It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new. Now give your space and him. Now set you free, then you better believe him.
Okay, see the boss here. See the boss here. I say boy a while ago, but sorry. This man is Steve the Genius McGregor. Yes, bad producer. Him have a brother when name Chino. Him is an artist too. But him are the genius. Him is doing like beats and stuff from about 12 years old. And I wanna like the first beat maker for like for Vibes Cartel. And in the Vibes Cartel, between Vibes Cartel and Movado, the Gully and Gaza, he was the one who was building all the beats for them in that war. Bad producer. You can check him up. Steve the Genius McGregor. Bad man. Alright, go on.
Punny police, if him go cut a key, put a track up on your Vicks, then you better believe him. Punny police, run when you see Punny police, hide when you see Punny police. Me say he make me feel like say me is a thief, cause me they are run from a Punny police. Imagine me give you a chance, and this is how you gone. Should me tell you copy, you better take it literal.
You see how she wicked? Look, where she had then pose the fan on. Jaja, hey, she say you're provocative, you know, brother. Ja, what's it? Alright, go on.
Me say, he make me feel like say me is a thief, cause me they are run from a Punny police. Imagine me give you a chance, and this is how you gone. Should me tell you copy, you better take it literal. You no sleep, you no sit, you can't stop me from cheat if me want cheat. So me say watch it pumps, you watch me every.
Okay, you hear she say a while ago, watch it pumps. And as me said earlier in my decoding that we use me not say we, cause me a woman. Women use that too. And men use that to mouth purses about watch it pum, meaning watching the woman watch it pum satellite. Right? So here she go back there where she go say it. Hear it.
You no sleep, you no sit, you can't stop me from cheat if me want cheat. So me say watch it pumps, you watch me every move. Your pee clock, bloody attitude make me feel like I want run away. I feel everyone post mail one day. Give me some room to breathe. I just need some space from you. It's not supposed to feel like this with someone new. And him, now set you free, then you better believe him. Punny police, if him go cut a key, put a track up on your Vicks, then you better believe him. Punny police, run when you see Punny police, hide when you see Punny police. Me say he make me feel like say me is a thief, cause me they are run from a Punny police.
Song done. Boy, song done too quick though. Big woman thing, it song done too quick. Alright. Bad song. Can't go around that. Now you see Shensia now, she always does them type of song here. When we find like in a recent, she find, and when we see about mostly like with Stephen McGregor, yeah, she do some song where have a little topic to it. You know, as a little buzz. Because when she do that hit and run there, it had a buzz. And it was one of the first reviews that I did that give me a good numbers in terms of viewership. And then I realized she get like a more in a hit now where she sing more songs where have some things to it. Not necessarily like good culturally or bad culturally, it just has a buzz. Because this is where the ladies or you know, people being saying, but we never really hear it in a much of the songs like this, you know, the Punny Police, the man, watch you, man. Jaja. Yeah, man, big one thing. So, you have an next to where they call about blocker, you know, but we don't know, you know, nobody sing about that yet. Yes, so people. So when we think about the song, when we think about the concept, when we think about the decode and the review, yeah, man, let me know from earlier still, because as usual, this is Duke Creek in another one. When we say Barz Beatz, and people, you wanna have that.